Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nancy Jane, a being of this big, beautiful earth that we all live on. I'm here to help you learn, grow, and raise your vibrations. Today we are talking about besoms, what they are, how to use them, why you use them, what they're for, and we're also going to be doing a blessing on them to help them help us. So let's get into it. I'm really excited about today's video. If you are also, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get started. These are broomsticks slash besoms, depending on which term you prefer. Does not matter. They are typically used for protection and clearing of energy, typically for the house, is what we're going to be blessing it to do for us, is protect our home. You can also use it to, when you're casting a circle, to cast the circle and to sweep away unwanted and negative energies, as well as of any room in general. You could do that, sweep that, and take away those negative vibrations that way as well. Traditionally, it is sat by a door. Typically, it is sat upside down or this direction by a door in the house. Both of these have hangers to hang this way, which is perfectly okay if you hang it that way as well. It really doesn't matter. You could also put these above a doorway if you're able to hang it there. That is another good way to protect any sort of doorway entrance. So now that we know what our besom is and how to use them, we're going to start our blessing. And before we start any kind of spell work, we always want to cleanse our area of unwanted energy. So I'm just going to use this Palo Santo wood to smudge my area of that. And while you do this, if you wish, you can say some words like, I cleanse this area of unwanted vibrations, energies, anything that does not serve me. Okay, and then always practice good safety or good fire safety. I do have windows open, and then I'm going to put that in my fire safe cauldron to do its thing. So for this besom blessing today, I do have some fun ingredients. You can always take away or add ingredients as you wish. This is just an example. You should always do any spell work the way that you prefer and that you like, because it is your path, and everything that you should do, you should make yours. But this is just an easy, simple besom blessing, so let's get started. So first I want to start off with the crystals that I want to use for this blessing. Our first one's going to be good old amethyst. We're going to be using this for protection, balance, peace, vigilance, and whenever we're using a crystal or herb for spell work, we always want to let that item know what its job is for this blessing. So I'm just going to let my amethyst know what its job is, what its purpose is, what I need its help with for this blessing. And again, that was peace, balance, protection, and vigilance. The next crystal that we'll be using today for this is citrine, also for protection as well as positivity. So I'm just going to tell my citrine that its job today is to bless these besoms with protection and positivity. I have two other gemstones here in little chip form. So I'm just going to pour a couple of these onto my hand that I'm going to be using for today. This is carnelian, and today carnelian, I need your help with protection and peace. So bring about protection and peace vibrations with these besoms. And I'm just going to sprinkle these on top of here for now. They'll probably fall out later, but that's okay. The last gemstone I have here today is garnet. Garnet, I need your help today to promote protection in these besoms. Help them protect our home. And then again, I'm just going to sprinkle these on here around wherever you feel Okay, got our crystals. The next ingredient in this blessing today is lavender. You could use either lavender essential oil or lavender buds. I'm going to be using both. So this lavender oil, I'm just going to do a couple dabs on the besoms themselves for protection, peace, balance. So lavender, today I ask that you promote in these besoms protection, love, peace, joy, abundance. All that you have to offer, you may give. That's really what I like to say for the lavender, because there's so much that lavender has to offer. The next herb in this blessing today is burdock root. Burdock root is really great for its protection also, as well as its detoxifying properties. So today, burdock root, I ask for you to bless these besoms with protection, as well as the ability to detoxify any beings that come through the doorways, detoxify them of any unwanted negative energies, vibrations of any kind. Okay. The next herb is one of the most versatile herbs that we have, and it is rosemary. Almost everybody will have it, and rosemary is really great for its protection as well as its purifying and cleansing benefits. So today, rosemary, we ask that you cleanse our besoms with love, protection, cleansing, and your purification properties. Honestly, when I'm deciding on my ingredients for my blessings or any type of spell work, I just kind of go through my book of shadows of the herbs that I have and their meanings, and I kind of just pick everything that I have that has the meaning and intention that I'm going for. And today's was protection, cleansing, purification, positivity, any sort of good vibrations, because we want to get rid of any negative vibrations and welcome the good ones into the home. The next herb today is vervain. It is great for protection, cleansing, purification, as well as love and balance. So vervain, we ask that you bless these besoms with love, balance, protection, cleansing energies, and purification. The last herb we have today is hyssop. Hyssop, I ask that you bless these besoms with your protection properties, your cleansing and purification properties, as well as your properties of positivity. Promote positivity and good cheer. Now, the other items that I am using in this spell is our white candle. White here for also positivity, cleansing, purifying, transformations. Just white is so great and also universal, just like the rosemary. I wanted to use black tourmaline, but I'm actually using that for something else right now. So instead of the black tourmaline for the color black, I was using my black tea light candle holder, as well as I have my cauldron here that is black as well. Black I wanted to use to absorb those negative energies as well as its protection benefits. So now that I have my herbs here, I have everything going, I'm just gonna sit here with my besoms and meditate for a few, meditate with my intention, put my intention into here, and bless these besoms on my own. You can, if you wish, wait for your white candle to burn all the way down, as then your blessing could be complete, or you can always just snuff it out, never blow it out to complete your blessing, and then put your besoms where you wish for them to be. So let's go put them where they need to be. If this video was helpful for you, be sure to let me know in the comment section and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you had fun or learned something new, thumbs it up. Never be afraid to ask questions in the comment section as well, and let me know what else you'd like to learn from me. If you haven't already and you're interested, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified every single time I have a new video. And until next time, I hope love, light, and good vibrations find their way to you. Bye!